Most people spend their entire lives searching for happiness in the outside world. But the truth is, the door to lasting fulfillment has always been inside your own mind. And the moment you learn to enter the alpha state, everything begins to change. Most people live their entire lives surrounded by noise, not just the noise of the outside world, but the constant noise inside their own minds. Thoughts rushing from one worry to another, jumping from one responsibility to the next, replaying past mistakes while fearing future problems. The mind never rests, and because it never rests, it never reaches the deeper level where clarity and fulfillment truly begin. What many people don't realize is that the mind has different levels of activity, and most of the day, we operate in the fast, stressful level where thinking is chaotic and reactive. This is the state where pressure grows, emotions become unstable, and the mind feels overwhelmed. But beneath that restless activity exists a calmer level of awareness where the mind becomes focused, creative, and deeply receptive. The challenge is that this deeper state cannot be forced. It cannot be reached by struggling harder or thinking faster. It can only be entered by slowing down and allowing the noise to fade away. The first step toward reaching that calm mental level is learning to step away from the endless stimulation that surrounds us. Every moment, we are pulled by screens, conversations, worries, and responsibilities that demand attention. These constant signals keep the brain active and alert, preventing it from relaxing into a deeper rhythm. When you intentionally pause and create a moment of quiet, you begin sending a powerful signal to your mind. You are telling it that it is safe to slow down. This simple pause begins changing the pace of your thoughts. Your breathing becomes slower, your body begins to loosen, and the constant mental chatter starts to soften. Instead of thoughts racing in every direction, they begin spacing out. The mind becomes less crowded, and a sense of calm awareness starts emerging. As this quiet space grows, something remarkable begins to happen. The mind stops reacting to every external distraction and starts turning inward. In this calm state, awareness becomes clearer. Instead of feeling pulled by every problem or fear, you begin observing your thoughts with distance. Stress begins losing its grip because the mind is no longer feeding it constant energy. Many people search for peace in achievements, possessions, or approval from others, but real mental peace begins the moment the inner noise fades. When the mind becomes quiet, intuition becomes stronger, creativity awakens, and solutions appear more naturally. What once felt confusing suddenly becomes simple. This quieting of the mind is not an escape from reality. It is a return to mental balance. When the outer noise fades, the deeper intelligence of the mind finally has space to work. Ideas begin forming more clearly, emotions stabilize, and your awareness becomes sharper. In this calm mental environment, you begin accessing the level of the mind where clarity, focus, and fulfillment naturally start growing. The mind and the body are deeply connected, and the state of one always influences the other. When the body is tense, the mind becomes restless. When the body is calm, the mind naturally begins to slow down. Many people try to control their thoughts directly, but they overlook the simplest doorway to a calmer mind. That doorway is the body itself. Throughout the day, the body silently absorbs stress. The shoulders tighten, the jaw clenches, breathing becomes shallow, and muscles remain slightly contracted without us even noticing. This physical tension sends signals to the brain that something is wrong, keeping the mind alert and active as if it must constantly prepare for problems. Over time, this creates a cycle where the body stays tense and the mind stays restless. Breaking this cycle begins with a very simple awareness. When you intentionally relax the body, you are sending a powerful message to your brain that there is no danger in this moment. The nervous system begins shifting away from stress and toward calm stability. Breathing becomes deeper and slower, the heartbeat settles, and the mind begins following the rhythm of the body. With each slow breath, tension begins leaving the muscles. The forehead softens, the shoulders drop, and the entire body begins feeling lighter. As this relaxation spreads, the mental activity that once felt uncontrollable begins to quiet down. This process is powerful because the brain responds directly to physical signals. When breathing becomes slow and steady, the brain interprets it as safety. When the muscles release tension, the brain reduces its alertness. Slowly, the fast, chaotic thinking that dominates most of the day begins transforming into a smoother and calmer flow of awareness. Instead of thoughts jumping rapidly from one worry to another, they begin moving gently and clearly. This is the moment when the mind starts approaching a deeper state of focus and creativity. In this relaxed state, the mind becomes more open and receptive. Instead of being locked in survival thinking, it begins entering a level where imagination and insight become stronger. Ideas appear more naturally because the mind is no longer fighting against stress. Solutions that once seemed hidden suddenly begin revealing themselves. When the body becomes deeply relaxed, the mind follows the same path, allowing awareness to move into a calm mental rhythm where clarity, creativity, and deeper understanding begin unfolding naturally. Once the mind becomes calm and the body is relaxed, a powerful ability begins to awaken inside the human mind. This ability is imagination. Many people underestimate the power of their imagination because they think of it as simple daydreaming or fantasy. But in a deeply relaxed state of awareness, imagination becomes something far more influential. It becomes a language through which the deeper mind begins to understand direction. The conscious mind often communicates through words and logic, but the deeper levels of the mind respond more strongly to images and feelings. When you create a clear picture in your mind, you are sending a signal that the subconscious can recognize and begin working toward. Most people unknowingly use their imagination against themselves. They imagine failure before they begin something new. They picture problems growing worse. They replay negative experiences over and over again in their minds. Every time they do this, the deeper mind accepts those images as important and begins organizing emotions and reactions around them. This is why fear and doubt can grow so quickly. The mind becomes conditioned by the pictures it repeatedly sees. But the moment you learn to guide your imagination intentionally, the entire direction of your inner world can begin changing. When the mind enters a calm and focused rhythm, mental images become much more vivid and influential. This is the perfect moment to begin creating clear and positive pictures of the life you want to experience. Instead of thinking about what might go wrong, you begin seeing yourself moving through life with confidence and calm control. Instead of imagining limitations, you begin picturing possibilities. The deeper mind does not question whether these images are real or imagined. It simply begins responding to them. Your emotions start aligning with the picture you hold in your mind, and your behavior gradually follows that emotional direction. The more clearly you imagine something, the more powerful its influence becomes. When you see success, peace, or fulfillment in your mind with detail and feeling, the subconscious begins treating that image as a destination. It starts guiding your attention toward opportunities and solutions that match the vision you are creating. This is why visualization becomes such an important tool for shaping your inner state. The mind naturally moves toward the pictures it sees most often. With practice, imagination becomes more than a mental exercise. It becomes a way of communicating with the deeper intelligence of the mind. Each time you enter a calm state and visualize clearly, you strengthen the connection between your conscious intentions and your subconscious responses. Over time, the mind begins working with you instead of against you, turning your mental images into powerful signals that guide your thoughts, emotions, and actions toward greater clarity and fulfillment. When the mind becomes calm and the imagination begins forming clear images, another powerful process starts taking place deep within the mind. This is the moment when communication with the subconscious becomes possible. Most people spend their entire lives speaking only to the surface level of their thoughts. They repeat worries, complaints, and doubts without realizing that the deeper part of the mind is constantly listening. The subconscious mind does not argue, judge, or analyze in the same way the conscious mind does. Instead, it absorbs messages and begins organizing thoughts, emotions, and behaviors around those messages. This means that the way you speak to yourself every day quietly shapes the direction of your life. Many people unknowingly give their subconscious negative instructions. They say things like they are not capable enough, not lucky enough, or not strong enough to succeed. Even when these statements are spoken casually, the deeper mind begins accepting them as truth. Over time, these repeated messages become beliefs, and those beliefs begin influencing actions and decisions. A person may start avoiding opportunities, doubting their abilities, or feeling anxious in situations where confidence should exist. This does not happen because the person lacks potential, but because the subconscious has been programmed with limiting instructions. When the mind enters a calm and focused state, the doorway to the subconscious becomes much more open. In this relaxed awareness, the words you speak internally carry much more influence. Instead of allowing random thoughts to shape your inner world, you can begin giving the mind clear and intentional directions. These directions do not need to be complicated or forceful. They only need to be calm, confident, and consistent. When you repeat simple messages of clarity, confidence, and purpose while the mind is relaxed, the subconscious begins accepting them more easily. As these messages are absorbed, the deeper mind starts adjusting emotional responses and patterns of thinking. Confidence begins replacing doubt because the mind has been given a new instruction to follow. Motivation grows because the subconscious is now working toward a clear intention rather than resisting it. This process slowly reshapes the way a person reacts to challenges and opportunities in daily life. Instead of feeling controlled by fear or uncertainty, the mind begins responding with calm focus and direction. With repeated practice, this inner communication becomes one of the most powerful tools for personal transformation. Each time you enter a relaxed state and speak clearly to your deeper mind, you strengthen the connection between intention and behavior. The subconscious begins working like a silent partner, supporting your goals and guiding your actions toward greater balance, clarity, and lasting fulfillment. The mind learns through repetition. Just as a path becomes clearer every time someone walks across it, the patterns inside the mind become stronger every time they are repeated. This is why habits form, why beliefs grow deeper, and why the direction of a person's life often follows the thoughts they practice most often. When someone enters a calm and focused mental state and begins visualizing the life they want, that moment becomes powerful. But true transformation begins when this process is practiced consistently. The subconscious mind responds best to repetition because repetition signals importance. When the mind sees the same images and feels the same intentions again and again, it begins accepting them as a new internal reality. Many people try to change their lives with a single moment of motivation. They feel inspired for a short time, imagine a better future, and then return to the old patterns of thinking that filled their mind before. Because the new vision was not repeated, the subconscious continues following the familiar patterns it has known for years. This is why daily mental rehearsal becomes so important. When a person repeatedly enters a relaxed state and clearly imagines their goals, their mind begins adapting to that vision. The brain starts recognizing it as something meaningful rather than something distant or unrealistic. Mental rehearsal works because the mind does not strongly separate vivid imagination from real experience. When you imagine yourself acting with confidence, solving problems calmly, or achieving meaningful goals, your brain begins creating the same emotional and mental pathways that would form during real action. The more often these inner experiences are repeated, the more natural they begin to feel. Confidence grows because the mind has already practiced success many times internally. Fear begins fading because the mind has become familiar with positive outcomes. This daily practice gradually changes the way a person approaches life. Situations that once caused hesitation begin to feel manageable because the mind has already rehearsed responding with clarity and control. Opportunities are noticed more easily because the brain has been trained to recognize them. Instead of reacting automatically to old fears or doubts, the mind begins following the new patterns that have been practiced during these calm moments of visualization. Over time, the difference becomes remarkable. The person who once struggled with uncertainty begins moving with quiet confidence and focus. Their thoughts align more naturally with their goals because the subconscious has been repeatedly shown the direction it should follow. Through consistent mental rehearsal, the inner world slowly transforms, guiding actions, decisions, and emotions toward a life that reflects greater purpose, balance, and fulfillment. When a person first discovers the calm and focused state of the mind, it can feel like entering a peaceful inner sanctuary. In that quiet space, thoughts become clearer, emotions settle, and awareness feels balanced and steady. Many people assume that this state is meant only for moments of meditation or reflection, but its true purpose is far greater. The real transformation happens when the calm awareness developed in this state begins to flow into everyday life. The goal is not to escape the world, but to return to it with a mind that is centered, clear, and aligned with deeper purpose. Most people move through life reacting automatically to situations around them. A small problem creates frustration, unexpected challenges create stress, and criticism from others creates doubt. These reactions happen quickly because the mind has been conditioned to operate in survival mode. When someone regularly enters a calm mental rhythm, the mind gradually learns a different way of responding. Instead of reacting immediately with tension or worry, there is a small moment of awareness before the reaction begins. In that moment, a person has the ability to choose a calmer and wiser response. This change may seem subtle at first, but its effects grow stronger with time. When the mind becomes familiar with calm focus, that calmness begins appearing naturally during daily activities. Conversations become more thoughtful, decisions become clearer, and challenges begin to feel less overwhelming. Instead of feeling pulled in different emotional directions, the mind maintains a sense of balance even during busy or uncertain situations. This balance allows a person to see possibilities where others only see problems. As this inner alignment strengthens, actions begin reflecting the clarity that exists within the mind. Decisions are no longer driven purely by fear or pressure. They are guided by a deeper sense of awareness that considers long-term outcomes and personal values. This shift changes the way a person approaches work, relationships, and personal goals. Life begins to feel more intentional because actions are connected to a calm inner direction rather than scattered impulses. With consistent practice, the calm state of mind that once required quiet moments of relaxation begins appearing naturally throughout the day. A person carries that inner stability into conversations, decisions, and challenges. The mind remains clear even when circumstances become demanding. This steady awareness creates a powerful foundation for lasting fulfillment, allowing a person to move through the world with confidence, clarity, and a deep sense of inner balance.